Underneath the vehicle, we're going to remove the drain plug. Use a 15mm socket. Drain plug's right here, located on the oil pan. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. And pull the drain plug out. Now the oil's drained out. It's a good idea to replace this seal on here before you throw it back in. You want to use a pick, just get behind the seal, slide it off, and then put a new seal on. Now reinstall the plug. Now I'm going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. And just wipe away the excess. Now we're going to take the oil filter off. You can use a 1 1/4 socket or even a 32mm socket. Get on there. You just won't be able to unscrew the filter completely. You may just have to be able to crack it free with that and then do that. What you want is an oil filter socket specifically made for that. And that is a little bit shorter so that you can actually unscrew it. And this one's a 32mm socket. Loosen this up. And once you get it loose, you can do it by hand. And slide it out. Now take the oil filter. This has a new housing on it. I'm just going to take a little bit of fresh oil and just lubricate the O-rings. That's good. And slide it back in position. Get it started. Then I'm going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Now take the oil cap off, twist, slide it up, and you want to check the oil cap, see what weight oil to use. On ours it's 530. If you're in a different climate, it may be different. You can always check your owner's manual for the exact amount. Use a funnel and add the oil. After putting in 5 quarts of oil, now we can remove the funnel, put the cap on, make sure it's tight. Then you want to start the vehicle, let the vehicle run for about 10-15 seconds, and then shut it down, wait about a minute. Now we want to grab the dipstick, pull it out. First, wipe it off with a clean rag, then reinsert the dipstick into the tube. Wait about 5 seconds. And then pull the dipstick out again and just take a look. You want to be in between these hash marks or in these lines. You can always flip it over and just take a look on the back to get an accurate reading. And then adjust the oil level accordingly.